In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly with Google Calendar for 2025 in a quick and easy manner. If you've been looking for a way to seamlessly manage your appointments and avoid scheduling conflicts, integrating these two platforms is the perfect solution. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure a smooth setup. First, we're going to start by logging into your Calendly account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy and free to sign up on their website. Once you're in your account, head over to the Integrations and Apps section. This is where you'll find the integrations you need to connect with various other services. Next, in the Integrations section, look for Google Calendar. It should be relatively easy to spot as Calendly prominently features it as one of their most popular options. When you see it, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a Connect button. Clicking this button will initiate the connection process. Calendly will automatically redirect you to the Google sign-in page. Now make sure you're ready with your Google account details, particularly the account you desire to connect with Calendly. Once you're on the Google sign-in page, proceed to select the Google account you wish to link. If you happen to have multiple Google accounts, ensure you choose the one where you keep your primary calendar. This will be crucial for maintaining an accurate and accessible schedule. After selecting your account, click on Continue. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose the specific Google Calendar you'd like to sync with Calendly. You might have various calendars under your account, such as a personal one, a work-related one, or perhaps others if you collaborate frequently. Select the one that you predominantly use or need for scheduling purposes. Now comes an important step, granting permission. For Calendly to effectively sync and access your calendar data, Google will request that you give Calendly permission. This is to ensure Calendly can update and retrieve events as necessary. It's essential to carefully review any permissions and understand what you're agreeing to. Rest assured that granting access is normal and part of enabling these two services to interact seamlessly. Upon completing these steps, you've successfully connected Calendly with your Google Calendar. This means your schedules are now fully synced, preventing double bookings and keeping your appointments streamlined. Remember, the integration isn't just about preventing scheduling mishaps. It also empowers you to share your availability easily with others and quickly set up meetings. Now, your scheduling automation is smarter than ever. With your new setup, you can focus more on what truly matters to you without the hassle of manual confirmations or checks. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial and happy scheduling.